Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform called Sui Wallet. So here's a breakdown. Sui Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet built for the Sui blockchain, designed to help users securely store, send, and receive Sui and other assets on the network with an intuitive interface. It supports key wallet features like transaction history, balance tracking, and decentralized app like the app connection, which make it a solid entry point for interacting with Sui ecosystem. The wallet emphasizes fast transaction speed and a user-friendly experience, which is ideal for newcomer and the Sui native user. That said, because Sui wallet is specific to the Sui blockchain, it doesn't support assets from other major chain without bridging, and user also always caution with the network fee, security, best practice, and the DApp approval. As with any crypto wallet, there's risk involved, especially with unfamiliar network, so do your own research, enable strong security like hardware wallet support if available, and never store more than you can afford to lose on the platform. So in my opinion, the Sui wallet is a decent choice if you are active in the Sui ecosystem, but approach with care and informed security habit before choosing the platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. And that's it.